The Blaupunkt BGX4504 is a pair of 4-way quadraxial speakers, featuring exceptional German engineering. Let's proceed to unbox another model from the BGX4 series speaker. Inside the box, you will discover a pair of 5 inches diameter speakers that use PP injected cone, which can minimize audio distortion. The BGX4504 is built with maximum handling power of 60 watts, allowing for powerful and dynamic sound output, with greater clarity, which is vital for audiophiles. Included in the package is a pair of 1.8 meters wire harnesses, 8 cable clips for organizing and securing the wiring, 8 M-type screws for stable and secure speaker mounting. Lastly, the package includes a user manual with installation and setup information. This 4-way quadraxial configuration means it's capable of producing a wider soundstage with greater depth and clarity, which results in accurate and immersive listening experience. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.